I realized that I was interested in this whole finance business world, but like being a stock picker long term was never really my ambition. I wanted to get like some good finance slash business training and experience, but I was like, I can sit around here for a little while longer and keep learning, but like this is not pointing me in the long term right direction. And so investment banking was this tool that was going to unlock all these long term opportunities for me. Ultimately, what I thought on the buy side, but it turned out to be broader than that. To have both the training as well as I think the pedigree and stamp that would allow me to do lots of other things in finance. And that was really the ambition.
Looking back, is that true?
Absolutely. I was terrified to go work in investment banking, and I heard horror stories of working till 2 a.m, 7 days in a row, and blowing up weekends and holidays. And I was like, this sounds scary and terrible. I don't want to do that to my life.
What were you working? What were you working in equity research? What were your hours on?
In equity research, I was never working more than 50, 60 hours a week. And if you're in front of the computer for 12 hours a day, like you're not cranking that whole time. Maybe you're watching the stock screen, talking with your lead analyst about ideas. There's a difference between sitting and being at work for 12 hours and like grinding for 12 hours, which is what you do in investment banking.
Well, sometimes in banking, it can be a slow day during the day, and then you have to be there all night.
Not in the Menlo Park Tech Banking office.
They're busy.
Morgan Stanley. I can't remember a single day where I sat on my hands for more than an hour. So it was an intense environment.